YouTube, Eric DIY with another review for you. Today we are reviewing the FAISHILAN 50 watt LED floodlight. It's made for the outdoors. It's waterproof, basically plugs in with your standard grounded outlet for the United States. It's pretty bright. It comes in at 100 lumens per watt, rated at 50 watts, so that would mean that it is 5,000 lumens, which means it's approximately the equivalent of almost 60 watt incandescent light bulbs for light output. It has a white color and has 120 degrees of brightness and angle from the actual light. It's pretty big actually. So if we take a look at this, it has 100 LED diodes on it. It's waterproof. It has a rubber waterproofing along the edge of the light on the inside. And on the back, it has a nice heat sink for the lights for the LEDs, and again you have your grounded standard US grounded plug here. So we're gonna go use it outside. I actually wanted to get into some landscape lighting. I'm more of a solar light type guy, but honestly, like if you get a floodlight, it's gonna light a lot more. And I have a area that I've picked out, and I have 2 of these floodlights to light up the front yards. Alright, so we've been running the LED floodlight now for a couple hours just to get an energy reading on this. First off, been a constant 31 watts. So even though it says 50 watts on the box, I'm pulling 31 on this kilowatt, and it comes at a cost of about 16 cents a day if you're running it for 24 hours straight. So has really good energy efficiency on it, really good brightness. However, we're gonna see that outside. So as you can see, that's the front of my house. It's almost midnight here, believe it or not. And if you see this area right here, my camera doesn't pick up light as well as I'd like it to, but it's the best I could do. But we have this dark corner in front of us, which actually has bushes and trees and landscaping. So we're going to try putting the floodlights right here and making it work. And now here's that same space with the landscaping. This is only one of the lights, which is directly in front of it. It's this little black box right about here. So it is pretty bright. It's doing a great job. And yes, that's just one. Alright, and as you can see, we have both lights working, and it lights up the landscaping of the house. Very, very bright lights. Don't use a lot of power at all. Overall, these LED floodlights are great. They're waterproof. It's actually raining right now. I don't know if you could hear that in the background with the car, but it is raining, and it's doing a great job. So I highly recommend buying the FAISHILAN 50 watt LED flood lights if you're looking for something like this to brighten up your landscaping. I'm probably going to retire the solar lighting, honestly, if I use these on a permanent basis. It looks great as of now though, so it's looking like I'm going this direction. Put the solar lighting elsewhere, probably highlight some walls or something. Definitely better to have a combination, because the bright light, you just can't get this with solar. It's LED, so it's really energy efficient. If you'd like to buy your FAISHILAN 50 watt LED floodlight, please look at the link in the description below. We'll send you to Amazon where you can buy your own, and you'll be supporting the Eric DIY channel at the same time. As always, we thank you for your support. Please like and subscribe if you like this video and other videos like it. Have a great evening. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.